Hi! In front of me is TLC30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now choose Security and Biometrics and then tap on Face Unlock. Following that, you need to enter your current login method and read the disclaimer. Then read the instructions and choose Start. When you're ready, remember to keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Then you need to select Done and click on OK in the pop-up. Lastly, adjust all of those Face Unlock settings however you wish to and choose Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!